One of the reasons we're confused about well-being is that we mistake it for a sense of contentment or satisfaction. We assume well-being comes from the satisfaction of our desires. Since we all have different desires, the path to well-being seems different for each person. Human desire is not meant to be satisfied. Think of it this way. Do any of us eat a meal expecting it to be the last time we are hungry? We understand that hunger, desire for food, is part of being alive. If we stop desiring food, we know something's very wrong. Unfortunately, we don't realize that the desire for things, tangible or intangible, is a part of human existence. If we ever found complete contentment, we would have little motivation to keep living. Hunger is to the body what desire is to the being. So well-being isn't found when we acquire or achieve our desires.